Marketshare has over 30 years of experience in designing sales offices. We're a great partner with our clients because we work with them from design to completion of the sales office. Builders need a reliable partner who understands project management and design, and the buyers coming into the office. Marketshare has been so successful because the team has been together for so long, and we have such talented designers at Marketshare. We have faced every problem you can imagine, and because of that, we have learned how to streamline the process. Marketshare prides itself on the details. There's so many details that go into one sales office, and we really try to make sure that we check every one of those boxes off.
I think Marketshare is a good partner with builders because we handle the things that they don't want to have to worry about.
So special is because we're the complete package. We do design, project management. We make sure at the end of that project that client's happy, and that's our most important thing.